Hello everyone, Namaste. Today we are going to discuss about the co-interior angle, corresponding angle, alternate angle. Before that, let us discuss about transversal, transversal line, parallel line, and intersecting line here. Um, those two lines are said to be intersecting line if if these two lines meet somewhere in the plane, then that is a intersecting line. If it is meet somewhere in the plane, then that is intersecting line. If this line and this line is also intersecting line, because if you extend this line here, then it will meet somewhere in the plane. Then this is a intersecting line. Now parallel line. Parallel line are those lines which get never intersected in anywhere in the plane. If we extend this line, it will never get intersected. It will go in maintaining the same equal distance in every part of this, every part between the parallel line. If you make a perpendicular line here, then it will, the distance between this perpendicular line are always equal. Then that is a parallel line. And transversal. Transversals is a line which passes through two lines and intersected at 2 points in the line. This is a transversal. If it is a parallel line here, then this line is a transversal. So this is parallel line, this is transversal, and intersecting line are those lines which get intersected. Here you can see the intersecting line. These two lines are intersecting, and these two line, this line is also intersecting here. So, and if it intersected in 2 points of the parallel line, then that is a transversal. So now let's go to the co-interior angle first. Co-interior angle. Co-interior angles are those angles which lies in two parallel lines and which are the interior line of those parallel lines. These two angles are co-interior angle, and the co-interior angle are always in the shape of C. It can be like this if these two are parallel line. If these two are parallel line, then this one and this one is co-interior angle. It can be like in this shape. So these two angles are co-interior angle, and the properties of co-interior angle is, if this is A and this is B, then A plus B equal to 180 degree. The sum of these two angles is always 180 degree. So before that, you have to remember it, this two must be a parallel line. If it is an intersecting line like this, and this cannot be a parallel line, this cannot be a co-interior angle, because these two lines are not parallel, they are intersecting. Because if you extend this, then they get intersected somewhere in the plane. So to be a co-interior angle, there must be two parallel line and one transversal across it, and this angle and this angle. If this is A, this is B, then A plus B equal to 180 degree. So let's discuss about the corresponding angle after that. Corresponding angle. In the same figure, we can find the corresponding angle here. If it is A, then this angle just below the parallel line, this is also A. So what I mean is, if it is B, then A must be equal to V. So the corresponding angles are in the shape of F, and these two angles are corresponding angles, and they are always equal. And the shape of the corresponding angles can also be varies like this. It can be face upward sometimes. If you want, it can be face just backward, or it can face below as well. But these two lines must be always parallel line. So now the final one, the alternate angle here. Alternate means it should be in Z shape. This angle and this angle is alternate angle here. If you look closely, then it is in Z shape. If it is in Z shape, then we say it alternate angle. These two lines must be parallel line here. So the properties of alternate angle is same as corresponding angle. These two angles are equal. A degree is equal to B degree always. And it can also be in different facing differently. It can be in N shape here. This one is and this one is alternate angle. This and this is alternate angle. The line must be always parallel, and this angle and this angle is alternate angle. So we have discussed enough about the alternate angle, co-interior angle and corresponding angle. Now we are going to solve the problem, some of the problem on corresponding angle here. So for corresponding angle, if these two lines are parallel and these two angles are given, suppose this is 2x minus 20 and the one is 3x minus 60, 3x minus 60, and this one is 2x minus 20. Then let us solve this problem here. So we know that 2x minus 20 equal plus 3x minus 60 give us 180 degree. Reason is co-interior angle of parallel line. So let us solve this first. 2x plus 3x become 5x because these two numbers are positive here. So and these two numbers are negative, so we can add these two as well. 60 plus 20, 80. But the sign must be negative because this one and this one is negative. Minus minus plus, but the sign is minus. And 180 degree here as it is, or 5x minus, if you take this minus 80 to another side, it becomes plus 80 degree. So it becomes 260 degree here, 5x, or x equal to 260 divided by 5. So if we divide it, 5 5s are 25, remaining 1, 5 2s are 10. So value of x become 52 degree. Now if you want to find the angle here, we find the value of x, but if you want to find the value of angle, now 2x minus 20 equal to 2 into 52 minus 20. 2 2s are 4, 5 2s are 10, 104 minus 20. If you subtract 104 minus 20, it becomes 86 degree. Now for the next one, 3x minus 60, 3x minus 60 is equal to 3 into, what is the value of x here? 52. 3 into 52 minus 60. 3 2 is 6, 3 5 is 15. 156 minus 60 degree. So 156 minus 60 become 96 degree here. 94 degree. So you find the value of x and the value of this angle. This angle is 86 and another one is 94, and if you add these two angles, then it become 180 degree. This is a co-interior angle here. Now let us discuss about the corresponding angle here. Corresponding angle, so it must be in FSF. So I'm going to solve this. So if it is 4x minus 120 and another one is 2x minus 20. Now if it is a corresponding angle, then these two angles must be equal. So if these two lines are parallel, then they are corresponding. So and corresponding are always equal. So 4x minus 120 degree is equal to 2x minus 20. So if we take this 2x to another side, then it becomes 4x minus 2x. And if we take 120 to another side, it becomes 120 minus 20. So it becomes 4x minus 2x become 2x, and it becomes 100. Or x equal to 100 divided by 2. 2 ones are 2 5s are 10, 0. So the value of x is 50 here, 50 degree. So if you want to find the angle 4x minus 120 degree, then it becomes 4 into 50 minus 120 degree. 54 is 5 4 is 20, 200 degree minus 120 degree is equal to 100 and it is 80 degree. So if you do the same thing to this angle, then it will also give 80 degree here, because these two angles are equal. So let us solve this. 2 into 50 minus 20 equal to 5 2 is 100 minus 20 is equal to 80 degree. So you find the value of these two angles here. Now I'm going to solve the problem on alternate angle here. If this angle is 50 degree and this is 2x minus 20, then if this is these two are parallel line here, and this is alternate angle, we can see it here because this is in Z shape. So 2x minus 20 is equal to 50 degree. So the reason is alternate angle of parallel line. Alternate angle of parallel line. So 50 degree plus 20 degree, because this is negative 20, so it becomes positive 20 to another side. Or 2x is equal to 70 degree, or x equal to 70 divided by 2. 2 ones are 2 35s are, so x equal to 35 degree here. So if you want to solve it, if you want to find this angle, then it become obviously 50 degree. So you can try it here. 2x minus 20, that is not necessary. If it is already 50, then you can say it, the 2x minus 20 is 50, but I'm going to solve it to show you. 35 to the 70, sorry, this one is 20. 70 minus 20, it become 50 degree here. So now I'm going to solve another problem. So this must be the compound problem. So if these two lines are parallel line here, and this is the transversal, and if it is 60, and this is x, this is y, and this is Z here. So you can see it, if it is 60 degree and this is a straight line, it become 120 degree here. X plus 60 is equal to 180, and you can solve it as 120 as a straight line as well, but I'm going to solve it on according to this topic. So if you see this line here, this shape here, you can see the shape of Z here. If it is 60, then it must be 60. So if it is 60, then y must be 60. So y is equal to 60 degree. Why? This is the alternate angle. Alternate angle of parallel line. So we find the value of y easily. Now if you want to find the value of x here, look at the figure. So it's in C shape. C shape means co-interior angle. So if you add y plus x is equal to 180 degree. The sum of co-interior angle is 180 degree. This is the co-interior angle of sum of co-interior angle of parallel line. So we find the value of y here. So let's substitute the value of y, 60 degree, plus x is equal to 180 degree, or x equal to 180 degree minus 60 degree, which give us 120 degree. So the value of x is 120 degree. Now the remaining one is z here. Then how are we going to solve this? If you look the figure again closely, look at here. This is x, and this is z here, and this is y here. So these two lines are corresponding line. These two angles are corresponding angle, and this is a parallel line here. Then we can say x is equal to z. So we already find the value of x here. The value of x is 120 degree. Then z is also 120 degree. It's because of corresponding angle of parallel line. So that's it. You find the value of x, y, and z. Now if you have any queries, leave the comment below. Then we're going to discuss and solve the problem of yours. And if you have any other problem also, you can just write it down, so I'll solve it and post the videos for you. Thank you very much for today. Thank you for watching. Now please like and subscribe my video and share with your friends. So if they have any problem on co-interior corresponding and alternate angle, then they can watch this video and make it enlighten them or make it clear. So thank you very much for today. See you on next video.